So this dish, my parents, they kept exchange students. They had like over 300.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, because they had this huge, they'd keep like 10 at a time. And so they're from all over the world, and they all had different tastes, and there were foods that like some cultures just didn't like.
Yeah.
And some cultures did. Like no one likes root beer except Americans. For some reason, yeah, everybody hates it. But this was the only dish that every single person liked.
Okay, and tell me about it. It's called
Pulu.
Okay.
It's a Tongan dish.
Okay.
I actually discovered it in Tonga. My husband and I did a 2-week study abroad.
Well, you've had just a fascinating life. Okay.
Well, thank you. All right, so it's only 5 ingredients, and they're cheap ingredients.
Okay.
And so let me show you what you do. So they actually use taro leaves, but we're going to use spinach.
Spinach, okay.
Uh-huh. And
the whole idea behind struggle meal is these are just economic meals, inexpensive ways to feed the family, because it's expensive at the grocery store nowadays.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
But this is like $1, $2 per person.
Yeah.
Now the spinach cooks down a lot, so you're gonna want to like really pack it in.
If you have never cooked spinach, this looks like a lot, but it is not. It will disappear in front of your eyes.
But spinach is so good for you. It's one of those superfoods.
I agree.
Yeah, and so like you can get like a huge amount of spinach, without without feeling like you're eating a salad or something.
Sure.
All right. Then you get coconut milk, and the mayonnaise is a bit of an American tradition. They don't.
Okay.
Actually, what they do is they'll dig a hole in the ground and fill it with coals, and wrap this in aluminum foil, put it in the hole, and bury it in the ground. And when it smells good, that's when you know it's done.
Okay. Okay, so that's kind of what I do too, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes I don't use a timer. It smells good. Okay, so we've got
not the digging a hole part.
No. Not the digging a whole part.
Okay,
I'm just saying paying attention to the aroma of foods.
Right, so it's coconut milk and mayonnaise.
Okay.
And we actually got the coconut milks and like husked the coconuts and everything. It was so much
way,
fun.
that's so great.
All right, so you just drizzle it on top. Okay. And
that looks odd, Terralyn, but
this is a weird dish, and that's why it's kind of crazy that this was the one that everybody likes.
Yeah.
All right, we got corned beef. Pulu actually means beef because they'll use different kinds of meat. So my in-laws are from the South, and Southerners have been eating the same meals for like generations.
Yeah.
They don't like trying new things. And so I'm like, if they like this dish, then that'll really prove the theory that everyone likes it. And they came back for seconds. So,
wow. Well, and if they had foreign exchange students, then you would think they tried a lot of different things.
Oh, no, not my, I mean, my parents tried everything.
Okay.
I'm talking about my in-laws.
Oh, sorry. I missed the in-laws part.
So.
There's a lot to say about in-laws, isn't there?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
And then last
But if they'll eat it, as you said.
Yeah, I mean, all you do is you just dump it on top and put it in the oven. This is onions.
Onions, diced onions.
Voila. Okay. So you cook it at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. That is it.
And this is what we have. And as you can see, that the spinach has cooked down quite a bit.
Way down, right.
Okay.
Yeah, so we like to serve it over rice, so let me dish it up for you.
Sure.
Okay.
And your kids like it, you said, right?
Oh, yeah. And like my sister, like every time we go to her house, she makes this. And
oh, really?
Yeah, every single time. It's their favorite dish.
Okay. That's interesting. I love it. And the cost of spinach is inexpensive. The cost of corned beef. Tell me about the costs of things.
I think this costs like maybe $10, but you see like how much I scooped up for you and how much is left. So.
Oh, that was really good.
Yeah, the coconut milk is really what makes it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like exotic, but not weird, No, so it's fun.
No, that's good stuff. Okay, we're going to put the recipe on our website at k2.com. And again, Terralyn's book is called No Scrap Left Behind. Great way to learn lessons about saving the environment and working on food waste, and also for us, how to make meals that are inexpensive. Thank you so much, Terralyn.
Thanks for having me.
All right, we'll be right back with more AM Northwest. Don't go away.